management as like time freedom, as like freedom management. Tip number 1, get a calendar. Tracking your time, yes, I want to track it down like, by the hour. It's a great way to find, sometimes in between the hour that can get things done immediately. And you will be amazed at how much time we actually waste if we jot it down properly in between the calendar and see the interval in between time that we have actually a lot of time lost and waste. Now, here are some of the extra tips on how we can best use the calendar. What I did is I blocked out the time to get my errand done at one time. Says like, if I want to do my errands on Monday, I'm going to make sure that all the errands that I need to get it done, I'm going to place it on Monday. So the rest of the day, I can actually focus on other stuff. And I also block out on the time, the hourly time that I need to get things done. Say, it's easy to say that I want to read one chapter a day of a book. Why don't I just say I want to do 5 pages? I just want to read 5 pages a day. So even in your bad mood of the day, 5 pages is easily achieved. So I like to actually think this time management as like time freedom, as like freedom management. I like to allow myself to have rest for a few days, literally not doing anything, nothing at all. And I do not find it like it ties me down, and it actually causes me less stress, because the overwhelming process, it's how it produced like we are in the hormonal stress of like overwhelming, So if I am tired, I would actually stop at doing things but not quitting it. So get to rest a few days is actually really very good. Tip number 2, use a timer. I use timer for everything. This is to remind me when I have calls, to need to take care of the laundry, let's say from clothes to dryer or from the dryer to the, wardrobe. But I think the way of this timer most effectively affect me is when I sit down to do my work. This is powerful. Set the timer and work until it goes off. Start small, like with 25 minutes, a day, and build your time slowly. Now, if you are anything like me, right, you think of all kinds of things that you can actually do at the moment. You juggle a lot of things. You have to put out into the pieces of a paper of what you need to do. Timer is actually very powerful.